today I got this crash damaged Ford Explorer. And let's see what's wrong with it. I'm just digging a hole here. We have sand for dirt. Like, hey, let's go to the beach. You're always at the beach. You're always at the beach.
It's a giant ant farm.
Correct. I just want to check out my crash damaged Explorer. So one day I can have a Rolls Royce that's been flood damaged. One thing to be careful of when jacking things up in the sand dirt, make sure the floor jack is creeping forward. Because if it's not, that means it's just sliding off the frame ever so slowly. And you'll die.
Creeping forward?
Yeah, because the floor jack's got to go forward as it goes up, because the car kind of comes this way. But instead of the car coming this way, the jack goes that way. And if the jack doesn't move, it means you're probably just sliding off the thing. Like if this is the frame and this is the jack, it does that ever so slowly.
Oh.
Oh my God, what did they hit something at 100 miles an hour?
Whoa.
I think they bent.
Whoa.
I was expecting something to be loose when I kicked it. Nothing is loose. 19 millimeter. Let's get in here and have a look at my crash damaged Ford Explorer. No bueno. So yeah, someone must have curved this thing pretty hard. And they weren't even driving it, they were towing it.
How is the tire not popping?
Okay, so there we go. That guy's bent for Shiesel. You know, they might be in better shape than they thought. Because if that's the only problem, besides this tire being completely worn. Dude, were they pulling it? They were pulling it like that. And then they were like, huh, we're not getting very good gas mileage. And someone was probably like, hey, your tire's bent.
Wow.
Oh, this is bent too.
Pulling it?
See how it's hitting there? See how that bolt's facing me? It's supposed to be facing that way.
Oh, yes. I see.
Oh, we might have some serious problems here. Oh, let's see about replacing this gigantic trailing arm. It does bolt on. Okay. Now we need a jack stand because we shouldn't be under this without it. But we're poor. We can't afford jack stands. Go get one.